Go. Fee, 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 fee. Fee, 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 fee. I say, fee, go. Oh, y'all hear me, YouTube? YouTube, y'all hear me? This that real vocals today. Fee, Figaro fee, oh. I'm feeling real this morning, y'all. I'm feeling real Figaro-ish. I don't know if y'all know what that Figaro is, but I'm gonna show y'all what that Figaro is. Wait until everybody get on this goddamn Zoom. Hold up. YouTube, what's popping? No, gang, we here for another day, another dollar. Y'all already know what the fuck going on, man. Feel me? I got gang them in the back. I got mama in the cut. Yeah, it's about to get crazy. Huh? Oh. That's Bay in the back. That's Queen CS right there. In case y'all got the shit fucked up, but she got on my ass about that. She got on my ass about that. That's Bay. That's Bay right there. Y'all on this bitch popping. What's popping, y'all? Oh shit, YouTube on this bitch bumping before got them Zoom popping. No gang, what's going on? Yeah, that's Bay. That's Bay. She ain't gonna play with y'all. She just looked at me and I felt her looking at me in the back of my motherfucking head. I felt it. On game. Oh, we finna get this bitch popping though. We already sharing my screen. That's a bit. We finna got to get this bitch popping. I'm dropping it right now, mama.
It's that trader talk. Too much money coming. I ain't trying to hear that capping though. If you getting money, then show it, nigga. Come on. Ayy, soon as I wake up in the morning, nigga, I get in that mode. I ain't been up in my city lately. I've been on that road.
There you go, mama.
Too much trades, learn to hold, never fold.
Zoom link chat. Zoom link chat.
About my past, but that shit old. Put that gun on XAU and fill my mouth all up with gold. In the club, my diamonds dance. I'm throwing one, she on the pole. Printing money out, then now I'm feeling like I cracked the code. Feeling like I cracked the code. I'm investing in myself. Fuck these riches, I want wealth. A lot of niggas turned they back on me. I'm glad the niggas left. I'm putting working on them charts. I earn my stripes like a ref. I'ma pull a nigga car for any nigga think they tough. Man, I'm tired of all these niggas capping. I done had enough. Throwing ass, but you can't get no dick. You ain't bad enough. Every day my pockets filled with blues.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Time to wrap it up.
Oh yeah.
Niggas trying to gas me up.
Oh yeah. We is here. We is here. Yo, I'm on Zoom. Give me 2 seconds, nigga. What's the word? Nah, shit. You hear this music in the back, bitch. It's lit. Oh, gang. Give me like 15 minutes. I'm sorry, back. All right, bet. Yeah. Hold up. Let me make sure my mama on here.
Soon as it dropped, they was wanting me to stop, so I had to make it pop. Looking like a nigga box, but my pockets filled with knots. They was trading, but they flopped. Now them niggas kicking rocks. I don't wear designer a lot. These Balenciaga socks. She can tell by how I talk, how I walk. I'm a boss, nigga. I'm just trying to get a bag. I'm just trying to get a bag, nigga. I'm just trying to get a bag. I'm just trying to get a bag. With some shit I never had. Wear some shit I never had. Fuck some shit I never had. I'm just trying to get a bag. Okay, let's go. Let's go. I'm just trying to get a bag. I'm just trying to get a bag. Let's go. I'm just trying to get a bag.
Hey. Look. Hold on. All right, there you go, mama. Hold on. Hey, look. Mama, they can hear you. Look.
Y'all stupid, boy. Boy. It's gonna be live in this chat.
Mama CS on this motherfucker, man. All right, look. You gotta. Look. If you.
Yeah, she did my bed.
Oh, okay.
So my last 2.
Walk with me, hold my hand. Never fall up on my brothers, that's my man.
Just text me.
I came from sitting in that jam. Working hard trying to expand, nigga. I made my name a brand. I done been through hell and back, but here I am and still I stand. Think I'm going like these other niggas do, boy, I'll be damned.
Hey, about bread, the
Okay,
nigga scram. Don't
he
nobody
said
lift a finger. I send
the
money to my
216,
fam, nigga.
218. Brenda or
Uh,
Alex is gonna do those. So you
any
done
nigga
after
around me
this.
drowning, I
I'm
pop
done.
out with Noah's
Y'all
Ark,
done after
nigga.
this? This thing, you think you can't do that one. But you start answering the phone.
I done changed so many
That's
lives up in
weird.
this bitch, but who's
But I
counting?
just ordered
Damn.
Uber, so I'm waiting on Uber. So it's 8 minutes away.
Okay,
That one,
cool.
that's weird.
That's weird. That's weird.
Alright, alright,
Did
alright,
did
alright, alright. See what's going on,
Peace and
man.
Alyssa punch her
blessings,
rooms?
everybody.
White people, you'll be plugged and they connected.
Hold
Put
up,
it in
hold
their
up, hold
face, they
up.
ain't gonna have no choice but to respect it. Them
Good afternoon, man. What's going on with y'all, man? Huh? Y'all ready to get some money? We already done got
The
some money. Y'all
word.
ready to get some? Huh? Y'all tell me what's popping, man? Huh? What's going on, nigga? Let me see who on this call. We 53 deep on a Monday afternoon, boy. Look at everybody ready to get a bag. I know that's right. I know that's right. Yeah, Mama CS is on this motherfucker. If y'all didn't already peep, you know what I mean? You don't know we had Pops join the game last week. Mama's here now. She ain't coming to play neither. You know what I'm saying? So Mama CS is on the goddamn call. Y'all say what's up to my mama, man. Oh God, show my mama some love. Quit playing.
What up, mama?
Yo, what up, moms?
Yeah.
Word up. We the whole family's here now, nigga. Mama and Pops.
Welcome, welcome.
Hold up, Mama. Mama, I hear you trying to talk. You gotta unmute your mic. She in the other room. What's up, Mama? You good?
Yes.
Yeah, all right, good, good.
Mama
Everybody,
CS.
Mama CS is here. And she's a goofball too, y'all. I wonder why I'm always laughing. It's because of
Thank you for tracing, mama.
Oh, you're very welcome.
Facts.
Peace and
Word.
Thank you for
blessings to the
tracing.
Figados.
Peace,
To the
love, and light.
figados. I mean, to the
Facts.
figados and the gigados. Word. Yeah, man. Mama's the whole read. I wonder why I got all this wisdom. It's from her. It is from her. You know what I mean? So I'm glad we finally able to get her on this motherfucker. She 10 times smarter than me. So if I can get this shit, she gonna dog it. I mean,
Yo,
so
mama fine.
my mama fine. You heard that, Mama? They say you fine.
Oh, really? Oh, well, thank you. Figado. I look like a black square to me right now.
Mama, stop. Stop. All right. Mama is fine. All right. Mama's very much. That's my twin right there. You know what
I
I
look like a
mean?
black square.
No, you don't look like a black square, Mom. I'm finna mute you. All right. Because you're over here wilding already. All right. Listen. She just got, yeah, even Mama get muted.
I'm trying to get on what she on.
No, that's a natural high. You know, that's a natural high. You can ask my pop. She's always like that 24.
Bro, you already know what it is, man. You might have to mute her for a minute, man.
Yeah, all right. I just muted her.
It's not non-stop,
She done
bro.
unmuted herself. Look.
Oh my God.
We ain't never gonna get this shit done. Oh
Yeah,
boy.
yeah, this about to be a call.
Yeah, but my mama's a goofball, bro.
They
Yeah,
don't understand, Trey. You know what I
they
mean?
really don't. Y'all have no idea. Y'all have zero idea.
To know her, you
Mama,
already know.
Mama, sit it there and mind your damn me for a second, all right? Just for a second. And we'll be right back. All right. But we here though. First things first. Who popped gold with me this morning? TP1 Smack. Who got that?
We was in there.
We was in there. We was in there. Did we secure chicken?
Yeah,
Yeah,
a
I
lot of
made
us have that.
$200
$200. I like it. I
off of
like it.
like 75. Off of
Good shit.
count
Good shit.
$75.
Good shit. Oh damn! You made $200 off of $75 of that trade.
Yeah, I think it was like 75 or like 100 in there. Yeah.
Good shit, mom. Good shit. Anyone
I
else?
don't know. I had just withdrawal.
Yeah, me too. Yes, sir. Still
Mm.
holding. Yes, sir. Caught the buy in and sell. Whoever said they still holding, but I don't know. They be kind of getting down there. But at the
Y'all
same
still
time,
holding? Y'all still holding?
I got stopped out at break even on one of my entries. I secured one of my profits. I popped two entries, and one of them bitches was for the multiple TPs, and one of them bitches was TP1. So I secured chicken, but I also got stopped out at break even on the other one.
What
It's
up,
a
T
4 hour
Mac?
book. It's a bullish 4 hour CRT. So I mean, picture perfect world. She should go from downhill. You dig what I'm saying? Picture perfect activity. She definitely should fly. Apart from like these FVGs down here, we're coming down here to retest model one and shit. So picture perfect world, and she left the
Yeah.
equal highs up here too. Like she got our first TP, which was this high right here, but she didn't come up to get all this. You know what I mean? And she left these highs equal and shit, and it's all stopping short of a gap. So picture perfect world, you know what I mean? She uses these little FVGs down here to go ahead and got them get back up to those highs. You dig what I'm saying? As long as this bitch ain't on no consolidation bullshit. She should still shoot. She should still go. You know what I mean? Based on what the 4 hours looking like.
You still holding or no?
No, I'm already out. Let's go boom. I
I,
already caught that chicken. You know what I mean?
yeah, I TP'd and then I caught the sales coming down. I'm gonna ride her down to 40-40
What the hell made
Yo,
y'all catch
plus
sales?
position or
What the
what?
hell made y'all? What the hell made y'all catch sales with all the equal highs on top of the price? What
because
the hell y'all looking at?
she's been rejecting that 40-70.
Man, fuck 47. We gonna see though. We gonna see. I can't. I mean, y'all know me now. I can't enter no motherfucking sales without price getting no goddamn real liquidity for real. But that could be the liquidity right there, and we'll know if that bitch break below the gap. Shit, that would be the liquidity run right there. You know what I mean? But if the 4 hour acts right, it'll go. If that bitch ain't on anything other than that, the nigga TP1 already smacked.
Yo, still holding the tray or what?
How many times I gotta say, hey,
He's already
listen,
TP'd.
on game,
You
boy. All
niggas
right,
not
now.
listening.
On my mama, boy, y'all better tighten up, boy. Y'all done said the same shit about
Yo,
4
I'm a new in
times.
this, bro.
You know, game, boy. Listen up, listen, boy. Yeah, listen. I just said the same thing 4 times in the last minute. Yeah, game. All
All
right,
right, then.
all right, yeah, all right. You know what I mean? But that's how I'm looking with gold. If she takes out this low, then she will definitely 100% continue. The last bearish area or the last area for bullish continuations, if not that 1 minute gap that I just identified, would be like this inversion down here. But once again, I'm personally already out this bitch. So at this point, I can really care less what she do. You know, to be all the way honest. If she got them break structure bullish from these gaps again, like if she got them does some shit like this, where she comes down here and taps or reacts from here and then break structure bullish some shit like that, reacting from these lows, then goddamn, I'll look for probably another trade on like some breaking structure bullish type time potentially. But as far as me like right now, I'm kind of sitting to see what Price does with this 4 hour CRT. You know what I'm saying? She can prove it, then I'll if she can prove it, then I'll potentially call another reentry. But the whole reason why I bought was off of this run on stops here, boom, run, break a structure up. We bought this pullback right here. TP1 was obviously that high. Who was trying to get up to this TP2 area right here. Um, but as y'all can see, she stopped short. So now it's all about what she want to do from there. Now let me go ahead and look at the higher time frame to see what is going on. You know what I mean, as far as liquidity and all that good. So let's get our higher time frame analysis going on. Let's look at the weekly. All right, so weekly closed bullish. I like that. Guy, the weekly definitely closed bullish. So picture perfect world, we could see bullish continuations. Last week closed on top of this week. That's great. All right. Um, and I would expect for it to happen from where the fuck we at. Like just because she's still goddamn consolidating in here, she still hasn't broke below that gap. Nigga, y'all can catch all these little short term sales y'all want to. If she don't break below this gap, all this bitch gonna do is buy. You see what I'm saying? This is a big higher time frame, like range that y'all trading inside right now. You dig what I'm saying? So that's why y'all goddamn, you feel me? Like they look good, but once again, if price don't break below this gap, bro, all them sales are short lived, bro. Y'all just scalping. I'm trying to get up there, and I know that if price don't break below this shit, that's where it's going. You dig what I'm saying? So all that little lower time frame consolidation shit to me, I don't give a fuck about. What I be telling y'all, whenever price gets to higher time frame key areas, what do the lower time frame like to do? Consolidate as soon as it gets there. You know what I mean? So that's exactly what you see happening. Um, she's been down this bitch bullshitting. But I mean, if everything acts how we would want it to act, I can guarantee you we fuck around and get like a bullet CRT from out here, bro. Like price may sell down to fuck around and get like, you feel what I'm saying, the previous day's low. Let me see this BPR real quick. That's already got tapped for sure. 50% has already got grabbed, so that's already cool. But I can guarantee we get like a bullet CRT or something, bro. If not from the daily, like taking out Friday's low, which can definitely happen considering it's Monday. That can be the manipulation phase right there to go ahead and take it back up for the week. No matter if it's a daily CRT from here or like a 4 hour CRT, like how we're looking at now, you know what I'm saying? I would definitely want to see one of those bullish confirmations now. Looking at the higher time frame, y'all see the lows. You dig what I'm saying? So anybody that was looking for sales, nigga, I ain't saying it ain't valid at all. Don't get me fucked up. I just don't like selling. I don't like short term shit. You see what I'm saying? Even though the trades that I can potentially catch may sometimes be short term. Like for example, we caught this buy right here, and it ended up being short term with some TP1 type tip. But I'm always some type of time where I'm expecting this bitch gonna fly for gold. Y'all know how this bitch get. The second that this bitch get the wild, nigga, this bitch get the wilding. You see what I'm saying? So I'm always trying to be in position for that shit, bro. I'm always trying to see what type of time the market is on when it comes to those plays. And that's why I don't be really goddamn caring about those sales for real, bro. You see what I'm saying? I would much rather just let that bitch sell, bro. Let that bitch go get the liquidity and need to got them go ahead and wild out. You feel me? But that's just me. That's just me. All right. I'm definitely seeing bullish this week though. Bullish this week. We just need to run stops. And once again, 9 times out of 10, it's either gonna come from Friday's low or some short-term liquidity that's up in here. You know what I mean? Like maybe this low right here we just created come down to low time frame 15. If we fuck around and sell below this goddamn BPR right here, then these lows right here can be very much fair game for the reversal. But what saying all this shit to say, bro, I'm expecting a run on stops and then price to turn around. And something that hints that. What hints that? What can you look at this chart and be like, ain't no way this bitch bearish? What can you look at it? How what type of hint can you get from this price action? Bay. Everybody shut up. Nah, Bay. Answer that. Looking at this chart right here. You see what I'm saying? Looking at this chart that we on. I'm looking at this chart and I'm like, all right, ain't no way this bitch really bearish for real, bro. There ain't no way. We're in a bullish key area. I'm looking at daily bullish FVG. I'm expecting for the reversal. I'm looking at this lower time frame and I'm seeing what price is doing. I'm looking at how this bitch is forming down here in this gap. I'm like, there's no fucking way that price really wants to sell. Because what do I be telling y'all about what price needs to do in order to buy or in order to sell? Yeah. Huh? It needs to run. Y'all, yeah, flames in the chat. Flames in the motherfucking goddamn chat. Flames in the goddamn chat. Flames. I need flames in the chat. If y'all ain't hear her, she said it needs to run liquidity. That's why these highs still here. Facts. These is facts. These are facts. The liquidity still rests. Can I get flames in the chat for my baby? Because I've been in here training her now. Come on now. Y'all see, if y'all see how everybody around me is getting put on game, bro. Because if y'all not doing that, then what are you doing? What are you doing, bro? Everybody around me learning how to trade, not playing. All right, not fucking playing. Word. All right, but 100%. This liquidity up here needs to get ran. So this is what I mean when I be saying look at your market context clues. You dig what I'm saying? Like we know that if price was really bearish, liquidity would have got ran. These highs are way too clean for us to expect that price really wants to swing down without taking out these early buyers up here or early sellers. My apologies. You got trend line liquidity. You got equal highs, whatever you want to call this, all up here. The money's up here. You dig what I'm saying? So, yeah, I would 100% be looking for this reversal, bro. She keeps flashing down, right, but keep leaving the clean highs on the table. She's running sell side, but she ain't running buy side. That's a sign of I'm consolidating, I'm manipulating. I'm going to keep flashing down, but I'm going to keep leaving the highs up there. Everybody going to keep wanting to catch sales, nigga. Who sooner or later that bitch going to got them explode. And it's probably going to happen from 1, 2, or 3 lows. So what I'm gonna do is, since I don't know which one of these lows is gonna be, however, I can damn near expect that one of these lows is gonna get ran before we start swinging. I'm gonna identify one, I'm gonna identify two, and I'm gonna identify three. And if I'm wrong on what I'm saying, then price is just sell below this daily gap, and then I'll shut the fuck up and go bearish. You see what I'm saying? But until price sells below this daily gap, I don't really care about none of this consolidation plays that's going on here. You see what I'm saying? Only carries I play about within this consolidation range are potential plays that can break us out the range. Bullish. You see what I'm saying?
And
Unless
then
price
Trump is supposed to speak later too,
what
so that'll
today?
probably make. I said Trump is supposed to speak later, so that'll make it break out of the range as well too.
Today?
Yeah, I think it's at
So
like 5
there it go. There it go.
my
You know
time.
what I'm saying? Five. What EST?
I think it's like 3 or 5.
I'll
No,
see.
Central
I'll find,
Standard. I'm on
I'll
Central.
find out. I'll find out. But yeah, this bitch gonna have to flash down, bro. She gonna have to flash down. So look up on 1, 2, 3 of these lows to get ran. Once again, if you don't see price flash the low and then instantly turn the fuck around and blast the fuck off, then ain't nothing to talk about. So I'll call the play when I see it. But it's either she reverses from one of these 3 lows and blasts, or the bitch sells below the daily gap and I'm wrong. If she sells below the daily gap, then I'll switch my analysis from bearish to bullish and I'll start looking for sales or something. But until that, I just can't see myself selling this bitch right now. But I don't think I can ever see myself selling gold. I'll be missing out on a lot of plays on gold because that bitch be dumping. And I'll just sit on my hands and wait, bro, for the reversal. But I know how ultimately bullish the shit is, bro. All I want to do is catch this bitch from the bottom again. Remember how we caught that bitch from the bottom last time, bro? We caught that nigga. We just caught that bitch from the bottom. This bitch just started selling. We caught that bitch from down here on gang and rolled that bitch all the way up there. I want one of them plays again, nigga. I want one of them. I mean, so that to
Hey
me, this is
Tracy,
what.
Last time on that bull run we did, like last time, not this time, but last time we was like in the 39s, like just hitting 39 4,000. I had put some options in. I mean, it doesn't matter for how long. The longer I put them in for, the more expensive they get. But I had made some good money off of your plays and options off my Robinhood
Word.
Moo. Hell yeah. Gold, whatever ETFs have gold in them, like
Good
some of
work.
them are very, very, very cheap. And I guess I was day trading and swinging it. I wasn't really doing anything long like leaps,
Yeah, for sure.
but and
For
gold.
sure.
But I just wanted to say, yeah, like the bag is there too with your analysis and what you teach. Dead ass.
Love. Love. I'm already knowing. I
Facts.
appreciate
I
that.
can back that up as well. Let me
Hell
turn my
yeah.
camera on. I
Man,
can
I've
back
been
that
telling
up as
y'all that.
well. I be putting belt ads on the option market too. So
You
hell
know,
yeah.
it's like we
Yeah.
could trade gold and options, forex,
Yeah.
futures,
Y'all got to
and then you got
understand.
ETFs that hold
ET
gold
go
too. I'm sorry.
crazy.
I just
Yeah.
wanted to let y'all know.
Now
Like
you're good,
we've
bro.
been sleeping on multiple.
I'm glad you shared that. You feel what I'm saying? Because
Yeah.
that answers the question that a lot of people be asking me, like, bro, like, can you take what you teach and do that shit on options and futures? Like, yeah, anything that has a chart to it, bro, this shit's gonna move just like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, it don't matter. This bitch, I can pull up Amazon. Name a stock in the chat. Name a
What
stock.
ETFs hold gold?
Huh? I don't know. I'm not an
Stephanie.
ETF trader. Ask them. But name a stock. I want to show y'all something.
GLD on the
I
option.
usually just do the regular gold stock,
Somebody said
but I
Tesla.
could drop a
Apple,
list.
Apple.
I could find a list
GLD.
and drop it for y'all.
GLD is gold.
Yeah,
GLD.
gold.
Tesla.
I could drop a list for y'all.
Say it ain't so. Run on stops, break a structure, gap fill right there, TP smack. That's the first thing you see. Like literally. How about run on stops, break a structure, FVG filling this pullback. You see this goddamn new week opening gap right here, or big ass value imbalance. Run on stops, break a structure, gap fill, TP smack. It's on 1 minute too. I mean, but you know, liquidity runs the motherfucking game. I don't give a fuck what you talking about, nigga. What you talking about? Go to the daily. Go on this bitch. You know what I'm saying? I was doing this markup with someone else earlier. You know what I'm saying? Just showing y'all niggas like it don't matter what chart you trade. Now, when it comes to stocks and shit, when it counts for all these look got them crazy ass gaps in between the chart and shit, the ballpark. That's why I like to stick with charts that don't have a lot of gaps. You see what I'm saying? Like forex pairs and shit. Or maybe I'm looking at the wrong broker for this. But either way it goes, you know what I mean? Market structure still holds its weight, bro. Price will sell down to go run stops, break structure, fill in FVGs, and get the fuck out of there. Right now, she's pulling back to do what? Filling that fair value gap as we speak. What can you potentially expect for this shit to do with equal highs all on top of price? Hit this bitch and go. You know what I'm saying? Like anything that you can pull a chart up with it, this bitch runs in smart money terms, bro. Where she will run stops and turn smack the fuck around, bro. I mean, goddamn, somebody said Apple.
Shit, that Tesla play you just drew up early this morning made me 28%.
Quit fucking playing. You understand? I don't even fucking trade Tesla. I don't even trade stocks, nigga. It just goes to show all markets are universal. This bitch at new all-time highs. How you trade this? Like how you trade gold. You know what I mean? Any pullback, tear their ass up. Look at how this bitch sells off. Fill in gaps. Got a gap right there. She fills that bitch in. Plus taking out lows. Run on stops. Break a structure. FVG fills all up in here. She's gone. She even does it on the smaller spectrum right here. Zoom in. Run on stops. Turn the fuck around. Liquidity runs the game. Run on stops. Sell off to go take out a low. Turn the fuck around. What you think Apple about to do right now, considering how short she is to these lows? Run them. What can you expect after that? Turn the fuck around. You know what I'm saying? It's the same goddamn thing. We can look at the video. We can look at whatever y'all want to look at. It just goes to show every single market moves universal. Just some move a lot smoother than others. Like obviously, Apple chart may move a lot slower than something like gold would. You know what I'm saying? So I mean, it's all about what you want to trade, but it don't matter what you trade, nigga. The way we view these markets, nigga, is universal. And that's why you can take gold, the same gold trades on futures, on style, on whatever the hell y'all trade, ETFs, all that shit, and still be able to put belt. You can mark them bitches up in the same exact way and put belt easily. You understand? This shit is universal, nigga. Once you unlock how to read it, that's the difference between goddamn. Hold up, I see private messages. Hold on. Thank you. Hold up, 1 second, y'all. Uh, nah, they out of there. They out of there. Thank y'all. Yeah, she's out of there. All right. Damn, what the fuck I was about to say? I forgot. Damn, I forgot what I was about to say. It'll come back to me though. It'll come back to me. Um, but yeah, Apple. All right, on to the next chart. I forgot what I was about to say before I let go. On to the next chart. All right, so we did gold. Y'all understand what I'm looking for with gold? Because I ain't even asked y'all for no ones. Let me get ones in the chat if y'all see what I'm, if y'all get what I'm peeping over here. That makes sense. What I'm looking for, why I'm looking for it. One. All right. We see bullishness. We want buys this week. We want buys. We want buys. We want buys. All right. We are bullish. Unless price sells below this daily gap and closes well below it, we are bullish. We want bullish breakout from this FVG to get all the way back up to that big ass FVG that she created on the way down. And then if we really get nasty with it, we break on top of this bitch and go back up to new all-time highs. You know what I'm saying? But before all this shit happens, we got to run stops. That's what she looking like she want to do. You know what I mean? Especially if this goddamn what that BPR respecting nigga as of right now. So we'll see if that 4-hour CRT holds weight. You know what I mean? But them highs are still up though. Shit. Shit. Let that bitch show me something. Let that bitch show me something for where she at, nigga. I dog her ass again. I'm telling you. I ain't scared of nothing. Alright. But on to the next chart. On to the next chart. Go Nas. See what's going on with Nas. The big NASDAQ. All right, so I definitely told y'all we was bearish, did I not? Didn't I tell y'all we was bearish on gold? I mean on Nas? Yes, I did. Based on what? Where was it at? It was the fact that we closed below this FEG, Royal. All right, so you see that pull. Look at that picture perfect pull back right to that 50%. Boom, and now she's selling off. All right, so you can look at the weekly. Now
I
we
ain't
do
gonna
have
lie. I caught the daily CRT on Nas and to the 50, perfect, and then it just tanked right after it touched the 50.
Hell yeah, tank boy. I'm telling you. But that bitch that it's weekly bullish CRT though. So it may goddamn you know what I'm saying, try to do something. It may try to do something, but we're gonna see. Let's see what that lower time frame area looking like. I mean, it's definitely a run on stops. There's your low, took it, broke structure. I just don't like market structure like this. Like I don't like how low the FVG is and shit. That's like way too deep of a retracement. I don't be liking shit like that. But not gonna take nothing away from that point. It can definitely hold its weight. And she's leaving. Here go the signs I be talking about. Here go the signs I be talking about right here. 1, 2, 3. Clean highs. All stopping short of that gap. The signs I be talking about, like she's leaving untouched areas for the reversal back up. You dig what I'm saying? So little shit like this shit I be paying attention to. That bitch really wanted to reverse, but she could, because there's a lot of liquidity on top of price. But I wouldn't look to touch this bitch until she gets down to like these FVGs down there. The market structure looks good. The only thing I don't like is how low the FVG sits. Like, let me draw a fib up. That's still between 70.5 and 79, though. It just looks weird. That's probably just my little eye tweaking. You know what I'm saying? But shit, based on the fib, that bitch line up. I mean, that's 70.5 and 79. You know what I mean? So we can definitely see what's up with this key area. And let this key area right here determine our whole bias or price. This price breaks below this, y'all know what time it is. The bitch dumping. She respect, we coming right back up here. You see what I'm saying? So I will put some alerts right here at 50% of this daily gap. All right. I'm daily gap, 30-minute gap. And we're going to see what price does once she pulls back. All right. Picture perfect world, we're looking at something like this. Pull back to come get this area. We consolidate and hit whatever she want to do. She may run stops from this gap, whatever. But as long as price don't liquidate that low, we can look for a 50% buy right here. SL below that low. Shit. We can bare minimum get these highs right here. That's easy money. You see what I'm saying? Anything on top of that is fair game. Yeah, I mean, so we get us a good risk to reward scenario if price gives us what they wanted to give us. Yeah. All right, so be patient and see how this bitch reacts from this gap. All right, but don't pull the trigger yet. Set y'all alerts. Y'all know what to do. Set these alerts and wait for the pullback. All right, I think that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. Y'all get what I'm saying here with Nas? I think this one is pretty easy. I'm trying my hardest to get as deep as possible on this analysis, but in all actuality, it's literally that damn simple. It's a weekly CIT. We got this goddamn FVG down here that's gonna act as our model one, and it's either she respects down here and goes back up, or she gonna sell below and sell. But in a picture perfect world, if I could be a goddamn betting man, we go bullish from here. So I'm gonna be looking for buys unless price sells below that gap. Then I'll start looking for sales. All right, that makes sense. One's in the chat.
111.
111. Pretty simple. Pretty self-explanatory.
One.
One. Word. Say less.
Hey
Say
yo,
less.
Tracy, bro. I watched that interview too, bro. That shit motivational, bro.
That shit, gay. Y'all see, yeah, man. That nigga KJ got it, bro. That bitch went up, bro.
Bro.
Yeah, that nigga KJ got it, bro. I hope y'all did watch that watch that goddamn interview, bro. That shit smooth. I gotta go in that bitch and clip it up. Y'all gonna see some goddamn content on it today. But y'all definitely go watch KJ interview where he's showing y'all exactly how he got rich, bro. You know what I'm saying? I feel like I'm out of place out
Dog
that
say
motherfucker.
he was at fucking work and a man just came up, bro. Like he asked, bro, I'm like, damn, like that shit was on some shit. Like you were chosen, nigga.
Right, bro.
Like what's the odds of that shit happening?
You talking about the new one, the off the porch one?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, KJ told us whole story. I ain't really talk like that in that motherfucker. It's really all KJ interview. We just there type shit. But definitely go show the story because I didn't even some of that shit I didn't even know about his ass. Like I didn't know about that goddamn nigga walking into him while he was working at goddamn grocery store and shit or whatever he said. I ain't know about a lot of that shit, so I learned a lot about that nigga off that interview too. But it's definitely some good motivation.
Tracy
Like,
back there chiefing. Was
said
in the
what?
cut chiefing. I said you was in the cut chiefing that blunt.
Oh God, I was in that bitch smoking like a motherfucker. I would have talked a lot more, but y'all see we had that goddamn microphone, bro, with a wire.
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying? So like, nigga, we ain't finna keep wrapping that bitch around for everybody to talk
Oh
shit. Like,
god.
bro, it was just too goddamn much, bro. So I said a couple things, but nigga, I just let them goddamn have the interview. I'm just there.
Nah, you definitely got some insight too, brother.
It's a little bit. It's a little bit. Nothing too crazy. You know what I mean? I'll make it look like I did a lot though. I'll make it look good. Word. But definitely go watch that nigga interview, bro. That nigga turned like 28,000 to like 2 million.
Yeah, I did.
Send me the course. I'm in the boot camp. Man, what part of wait until I come up on a boot camp y'all not understand? Y'all not getting my course until it's my turn to teach. Y'all done asked me that 17 times. I gave y'all the same answer 17 times. Wait. All right, Nas, Gold, GJ. GJ. Boy, what I tell y'all, boy? I mean, shit, what did I tell y'all? What did I tell y'all? What I tell y'all with GJ? Who can tell me what I said verbatim now? What I say? I don't act crazy now. Don't act like y'all ain't been knowing what I've been saying for the last I've been saying since we're gonna fill this gap. Oh, niggas want to act stupid in this bitch today. All right, respect. Well, and just in case any of y'all was getting clapped down on sales when I kept telling y'all to buy the fuck out this bitch. Now, don't worry about it. I'm gonna break it down. Nobody want to speak up because I've been seeing these get clapped down on them goddamn sales. That's why niggas don't want to speak the fuck up. No,
I ain't gonna lie,
game,
my
nigga.
survey was going off, but I caught
Yeah.
a daily CRT. You heard? I hit all that. DJ was going lovely since yesterday.
No, I've been seeing y'all niggas getting fucked over on sales. I've been seeing it on gang every day, and I ain't been doing nothing but laugh like a motherfucker. Cause I've been telling y'all niggas. Y'all niggas don't want to listen to me, boy. Who the fuck? Why would you look for sales? Look at that. Look, nigga. Man, listen. Y'all need to go back to the last 3 or 4 videos on YouTube that we did, the last 3 or 4 markups. I've told y'all the same thing for the last month and a half, bro. Once we fill this gap, there is no reason for GJ to go down. Every time frame correlates bullish. Every single one, from the monthly down to the fucking 1 minute. Everything is bullish. You see what I'm saying? This was the only thing that would stop GJ from buying when he was over here. She should have been flew, but the only reason why she did it is so she could sell the liquidity necessary to run them niggas and then get the fuck up out of there. So for everybody that's been trying to sell GJ up here at these highs and shit, when I clearly told y'all, it's when she gets down here, there ain't no bearish bone in GJ body. Hey man, listening is key. Listening is key. I can see why nobody want to speak up. Shit.
KJ,
shit, I ain't. Hey, look, that ain't. I'm Tracy. I'm Tracy. Okay, my name Tracy. I don't know nothing about that. All I know is I've been seeing y'all in the chat. I don't know if anybody called signals, or if I don't know if niggas been in that clap just trying to get in that bitch they sell. All I know is, nigga, I've been seeing both these chats go fucking stupid, nigga, when it comes to GJ sales. Y'all been trying to hold them bitches for like a week or some shit. Tough titty. Tough motherfucking
That's
titty, nigga.
I ain't even
That's
gonna
all.
lie. I held that gold trade last week that you called out last week. Remember, I held it because I was looking at the bigger move, but the bigger move is what got my ass. You know what I mean? I didn't even move my shit to break even either. I just kept holding it.
What did you learn?
Close that motherfucker.
Oh, okay, there you go. Y'all niggas gonna get
Yeah, I'm
tired of
still
it.
holding them
at
DJ
bare
buys from
minimum,
that
G
move your stop
from
loss to break
50%.
even.
Huh?
GU, huh? My
What
bad.
did nigga say? Who stop lost to break even? What?
Oh, I said he should have moved his stop loss to break even if he was gonna hold that long.
Come on now. That's just common
Nah,
fucking sense.
for sure, bro. What I did, that was just some new bad shit. What I did, to be honest.
Yeah, that's OD.
Yeah.
Hey, that's
The,
common sense.
the the
Nigga, the
biggest
way
thing is
gold,
greed.
the way that bitch flew last week, nigga, there ain't no way I ain't secure none of them goddamn profits, nigga. There is no fucking way. Everybody mama cave. You let that bitch reverse on you when we caught that bitch from the bottom all the way to where she went before she reversed, nigga. Shit. Crazy man. Learn from it. Don't do it again.
That's what I did with GU. I was holding since last week. That shit lovely. That shit going. You heard? This is the
Okay.
longest trade I ever held. Cause I saw a
Okay.
weekly CRT. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, Tracy. After I spoke to y'all the other day, that shit like enlightened me and my brain just started moving different. You heard?
Word
I
up.
don't know. I was just like downplaying my psychology on myself. You heard? I spoke to all of y'all, and it's just like everything just came back. Pop, pop, pop. I started hearing bad charts yesterday. You heard?
There you go. Good work, boy. Good work. Get back
He
in
sound
that
Word.
like he
fold,
from New
nigga.
York.
He
That's a
is.
fact.
Nigga from New
Definitely
York.
from the town. At the
Uh-huh.
time.
Yeah, I can
New York,
hear
New
it.
York in the building. Pops, where you at? New York in the building, nigga.
I hear that,
Uh-huh.
Harlem.
Oh yeah,
Huh?
yeah. Pops from Queens.
Queens, yeah, I'm from
Queens in the
Queens, bro.
building. We in the motherfucking building, nigga. East Elmhurst in this bitch, nigga.
All right.
My
All right.
mom, my mom from Hollis, Queens. Bitch,
You said from
All
where?
Brooklyn, bro,
Hollis,
Brooklyn, boy,
Hollis,
East New
Queens,
York.
Queens.
Brooklyn. Oh, Queens?
Yeah, my mom from Queens. Yeah.
That's tough. That's tough. Probably shit. Hey,
CT,
small
stand
world.
up.
Small world. You
Connecticut.
know what I mean? Word. That's what's up. But yeah, man, I'm happy for your ass, Taz. I'm good. Keep going.
Thank you, man.
Man.
Appreciate you.
That bitch in flow state right now. Sometimes you just get in flow state, nigga. Like everything just get to aligning. And if y'all get to aligning shit up during one of the worst times in price action history, nigga, boy, I'll be trying to tell you shit every goddamn week, nigga. If y'all can get this shit down now while the market's moving stupid, bitch, when they get back to normal, oh my God. Oh, if it ever get back to normal shit. What if this is the new norm? What if the new norm is we gotta deal with random shit from time to time?
And I need to
See,
get right on these markets so I can get up out this construction.
hey man, it's coming, brother. It's coming. The fact that you even on the call while at that bitch.
Always.
You know what I mean? Niggas don't be
Yes,
wanting to
sir.
do that, bro. That's why I don't be liking the excuse of niggas, but well, I don't got enough time to learn. Nigga, if you got enough time, nigga, you gonna make you some time if you want to learn how to do this shit, nigga. Too much money on the
Facts.
table. I mean, good work. I love the dedication. That's tough. Um, but yeah, GJ finish this analysis, nigga. Don't fucking sell it. It could sell. I ain't gonna lie. It could potentially pull back. But I'm not bearish on this bitch at all. Like I don't care if this bitch gets to selling right now. I'm not touching my body in. You see what I'm saying? Sales could potentially happen, considering the fact that we did just take out a swing high, which is the high that I told y'all would get ran. You see what I'm saying? So if she wanted to use this high right here, they got them reverse back down. I love how she left these equal lows right here. That's stopping short of the buy limit that I gave you guys last week. The buy limit was inside this pullback right here. And she stopped short and left equal lows. So that means now liquidity's on the table as well. We take out these niggas, we buy where they stops at, nigga, and reverse it back up. So if you're not still holding GJ buys, I don't touch her until she gets back, until she gets below these lows. She can run these lows. I got them, yeah. If she's so fucking bullish that she decides not to get these lows and keeps flying, I'll get us in where we fit in. But for right now, nigga, I need that bitch to come down real quick, tap these lows, get inside this inversion right here, and we can buy that bitch down there, put our stop below that low, and aim for uphill. All right, and once again, if she got them keeps on pushing without trying to get these lows, and she gets a little bit closer to this high uphill, then I'll get us in position if she, you know what I mean, if we got to. But right now, I need that pitch right to me. I need that motherfucking Derek Jeter, Barry Bonds, motherfucker, where you throw that bitch right to the what's it called? What the batter step up on the mound? What that bitch called? The mound. You know what I mean? You step up on the mound, nigga swing the bat like that. Gone. There you go. That's the play. All right. No GJ sales. It don't make sense. All right. At least, well, At least for the last 2 weeks, that shit definitely didn't make sense. Now that we done ran liquidity, if that bitch wanted to pull back now, it could. But I'm not selling that bitch. I'm telling you, I'm just holding buys or I'm repositioning for buys where I know where this bitch going. We still got fucking a week and a half left in the month. And for the whole month, we set the buy, not just half of it. Yeah, man. So first week sold, last 2 weeks of the month to get the fuck up out of here. Next pullback, we're buying. Do you understand? Give me
Yeah, and
twos in
on
the chat.
Thursday, not to cut you off, but on Thursday we got all that news coming from September, October, from NFPs that we missed and everything. All that's coming out 8:30 Thursday morning.
What the September, October? What? And the government ain't been shut down that long. We've been
Yeah,
having
yeah, yeah.
we've been having NFPs.
Well,
Well,
we
no,
were
but
Since
the
September.
numbers,
just like
it wasn't the real numbers though. It was just because it was shut down, so those were just like
When did the government shut down? That shit was back in
40.
September.
It was like 40 days. Yeah,
it was like 40. I think it was they did two
it was
NFPs
like
every
the
That
beginning
shit
of
was
October.
it
Yeah,
September?
Yeah, yeah,
yeah.
There's no
yes.
way.
No, go
yeah.
October
to
that back.
yeah. So we gonna be getting NFP for September, October, and then the little news from November, all on Thursday. So shit gonna get
That's
wicked.
that's some gambling shit. I ain't gonna lie. If
Yeah,
we getting that in here, shit, I might stay away. Or I'm
yeah.
gonna
You
let that
might
bitch
yeah trade the reaction. Yeah, because
Mhm.
I was just saying be
I would
careful.
not.
Yeah,
I would
Thursday.
not be in the market
Yeah,
prior.
just
Now
lower
this
your
is.
upside and lower your risk. That's all
I
I would
wouldn't
Yeah.
say.
be in the market prior to it. Now this could be if what you're saying is
So we might
factual and
get
actual, nigga.
consolidation till Thursday. Is basically what I'm saying. We might just
Yeah,
consolidate.
that's a
Yeah.
fact.
And then
I ain't
breakout
gonna
go
lie.
crazy on
Nigga, if what
Thursday.
you saying is factual, actual, nigga, bitch, gold finna get every single piece of this belt, nigga. I'm talking about
Yeah.
every single piece, because
Yes.
that'll be the day I expect for this bitch to fly.
Yep.
Shit. You know what I mean? So yeah, I make shit.
Yeah,
Shit.
because it's on Forex Factory if you pull it up.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Shit. We finna look at it. Let me get done with these markers. We finna look at that bitch. Dang. Hell yeah, nigga. Shit. That means the money on the table. Half of y'all gonna get y'all shit waxed. I ain't gonna, that's
See,
just
you
me
could really
keeping it.
turn $100 into 5K this week
Half of
if
y'all
you
gonna
just
blow that
wait and
shit.
be patient.
I can see it now, bro. Y'all niggas gonna blow that goddamn shit because y'all know how to fucking listen. Half of y'all don't know how to fucking listen, bro. Y'all gonna be trading that goddamn account prior to Thursday. Half of y'all gonna blow your account prior to Thursday. I can see it now. I'm not speaking this shit into existence, but if y'all we sitting here telling y'all that the big day gonna be on Thursday, do you think you need to be goddamn risking all your motherfucking money prior to Thursday? When the
No,
big move gonna be on? No, nigga. It's either goddamn Thursday we get rich or Thursday we go broke, nigga. Fuck it. Fuck it, nigga. You know what I
Ain't no
mean?
damn fuck it. But
I'm
okay.
playing. I'm playing. I'm playing. I'm playing. I'm playing. Oh, yeah.
shit,
But
I
definitely
don't,
save some capital. Save some capital for Thursday. But don't be going too crazy
man.
because like I say, goddamn, if a crazy move is expected to happen on Thursday, then I'm definitely expecting for the market to not do as much until then. The market will save the big move for the big day. You see what I'm saying? So keep that in mind as you're paying attention to price action, bro. If you fuck around and get chopped up, I don't know what it's looking like. Like as of right now, the market's looking fine, but we're gonna see if she ends up leaving the relative ranges that she's in today versus you know what I mean if she consolidates all week. And if that's the case, then we'll definitely see what's up.
You better leave $100 in your wallet. That $100 can make or break it.
Boy, this
No
bitch
cap.
right here, boy, niggas turn. I done seen niggas turn $100 something crazy off the gold run, but I turn $100 into
10K.
3,500. Goddamn, I seen a nigga turn $100 into goddamn 12,000. I like
Boy, that
in
shit was
20.
crazy to hell, boy.
Crazy, nigga. $100
I'm,
to 12,000 in 24 hours, bro. I don't think I ever seen a flip like that.
yeah, I ain't
The
do
like the
24 hours. Mine was
the
in
other
three
crazy, yeah,
days.
in 24 hours is crazy. Like nigga, I done did a
Yeah.
$17 or 17K, but that shit took me that shit was in 3 days. That nigga pulled 50 that nigga pulled 50. What he pull? 90 to goddamn 12K, 50 to 12K in
Yeah, it was
24
50 to
hours, bro.
12K. Yeah.
Yeah, that was
Spamming
crazy,
that
bro.
1 cent. I'm telling y'all,
Spamming that
bro.
1 cent, bro.
Hey,
That's what.
that's the
That's where I learned how
OC.
to do that shit from. On game. I take notes from my students. I seen him do that. I'm like, shit, nigga. That
Because
shit
that's all
worked
I
first
did for
week.
my 10K. I just spammed the 1 cent. I ain't even go in bigger lot size.
Bro, what the hell is
But
this? Where I trade safe and simple. What the hell is this? GLD and IAU. These track the actual price of physical gold. Good for steady moves without crazy swing. Oh shit, y'all take notes. There you go. These are basically gold on steroids. Well, I don't know what the hell. Boy, this shit. You remember when you first got started trading, where you'll read little shit, niggas be talking about like FVGs and shit. You like, dude, that shit sound like Spanish. Oh, gang. Niggas talking about bull
mm-hmm.
monitors and shit. I don't know what the hell niggas talking about. No, gang. These are basically gold on steroids and move fast. So I'm assuming these are ETFs for all my ETF traders. Um, But yeah, I don't trade ETFs. Well, all right, ETF people, y'all copy and paste that. For me, I don't trade that. Okay. I don't trade that. Gold dumping. So that means TP1 got smizzle dizzled, and then after that, reversal. All right, good win. Don't give a fuck. TP1 smack. All right. Now, this is what I would want to see for something like gold, where if she gonna dump off, let's see where she gets to and where she will potentially want to give a reaction from. All right, and once again, if she sells below this gap and closes well below it, then that means that's when I'll start for expect to goddamn like potentially like run liquidity and shit. You know what I mean? But we're gonna see what she does at the low end of this gap. Mm-hmm. All right, so we did gold, we did Nas, we did GJ. Do the rest of our GPYs. EJ, this market structure looks amazing right here. This 15-minute, boy. Hold on. Do our top down. All right, weekly. Let's look at the week. See how we close. Very much bullish. All right, so we already know what's going to happen this week. We're going to continue bullishness. We just need a pullback. All right, where can the pullback come to? FVG is well below price. We just bought up from this motherfucker right here, and that's why we see that price action that we seen on the lower time frame. All right, this 15-minute, her coming down, sell off to go run stops, break structure, to go get these new all-time highs yet. All right, but I would want a deeper pullback considering the fact that we already missed that. You see what I'm saying? So if we're not in position right there, then we will want something deeper. Now, granted, this bitch has been so goddamn bullish. This bitch has been so goddamn bullish that I don't know if she wants to pull back deeper or not. You see what I'm saying? I would want her to. Like, I would want her to come get something like this, that volume and balance, something like that, before we can start looking for more buys. But she's been on that type time. You know what I mean? Where she's been overly bullish to the point where that bitch didn't even have to come and get the gap. While GJ did. She left that bitch right on the table. You know what I'm saying? So that eventually she'll come down to get that shit, but not no time soon. All right, not no time soon. So we need to start looking for buys again. I'm going to start paying attention to her here, and the reason behind that, even though I want her a lot deeper, A, because once again EJ is overly bullish, and B, because we have a new week opening gap that was right here. You see what I'm saying? This is our big ass new week opening gap from the high end of this candlestick right here all the way down to the low end of the previous candlestick of the body. So this is a big ass new week opening gap. All right. And then now we got a fair value gap right here. So what is this? What is this? What am I paying attention to?
PPR.
It's a BPR. All right, new week opening gap with an FVG. So that's why I'm gonna start paying attention to here first to see if she's so bullish she want to just go from here. All right. I'm not gonna buy it off the flat. I'm just looking at my lower time frame confirmations and then like try and get it off of that. She is leaving equal highs. Little small shit like this is what I be paying attention to. Like the fact that she double topped up here but made them equal instead of taking it out. A little small shit like that I be paying attention to. So we definitely gonna see what she wants to do. Once she gets down to 50% of this gap, all right, and once again, if she breaks below this, then that's what she's gonna do what we expect her to do, which is come a little bit lower to go run some liquidity and then turn around. But either way it goes, I'm big bullish on this bitch. Big bullish. All right, unless that big ass NFP motherfucker come out on Thursday and just say fuck everything, this bitch gonna fly. All right, so we're gonna start looking at it right here at 50%. I'm gonna set my alerts.
Go in the council pike way.
Yeah.
All right.
Next trip, head first down here.
Boy, Anthony,
Right
boy,
here.
mute
Oh,
that
yeah,
shit,
Back
boy.
it all the way out.
I got him.
Pull out that way too.
Niggas at work. All right, 50% is FVG. First pullback. That's what we're going to pay attention to. And if she sells below this, then she's going to run liquidity. Like there's a lot of equal lows below price. Either way it goes. Either if she goes from here, we got two case scenarios. A, here, go. B, run stops, then get it, then go. Like on some shit like this. Precisely. If she wants to break, she'll break, retest, get stops, and then turn around. Either way it go, this bitch bullish. Either way it go. All right. So we're looking for buys. Next pullback. Pay attention to reactions we can get. All right. Threes in chat. Make sense?
Three.
Oh, man, y'all quiet today. Y'all real quiet today. Usually y'all be lit in this bitch. 72 people on here. Where my threes at, man? Where my threes? I want 72 on. What y'all got no way? Do it make sense? Somebody must have pissed in y'all cereal this morning, boy.
3-3. Made hella sense.
For sure. All right, bet. All right, y'all got anything else y'all want me to mark up? By all means, ask away. That's where my money at for the week. Gold, Nas, JPYs. Really gold and Nas as always. You know what I'm saying?
EU.
But I just need them pullbacks on GJ and shit.
Can you do silver?
EU as
Nah,
well.
nah. I'm playing. That would have been some dick shit if I would have told y'all to ask me for some shit and then I said no. That would have been funny.
I'll be like, damn, that's fucked up, Tracer.
Nah,
That's how you feel?
Yeah, nigga. Fuck that shit, nigga. Nah.
Cool. Say no more.
EU, man, who told me to pull this up like you don't know what this chart is talking? Sometimes y'all be telling me to pull shit up and you already know what's gonna happen. There's obvious market structure right here. Run on stops, breaker structure, equal highs. Next pullback, I need that speed that. Here, up. All right.
Just need that
Up to the
confirmation. I'm
moon.
already in.
Yeah, you feel me? I wouldn't be in from here. I don't know about here. I
No.
mean,
From the bottom, the inner side of
from the bottom,
50%.
hell yeah. From the bottom, hell yeah. Trend
Yeah,
line
man.
liquidity ran. We got 4 hour bullet 4 hour bullet CRT from here too. That could potentially do something. You see low top, bro? Nah, I will stay away from that. But either way it goes, this shit is big bullish, bro. And she's kind of at the low end of this inversion right here. I just peeped that as well. So she can use that trend line liquidity plus the retest of this shit to fucking turn around. And she's doing 4 hour CRT from it. So I'll start paying attention to what she does from here. You know what I mean? To get a reversal back up to those highs. But if she don't go from there, then she's going to come a little bit deeper below this trend line and then go. So it's either she goes from where she's at literally right here and turns around, or she come run some of these lows right here and then she goes. I don't think she's going to come all the way back down here. I don't think she's going to come all the way back down. That's why I gave y'all the buy limit. I gave y'all a buy limit down here like 2 weeks ago. And that bitch never pulled back to activate. You know what I'm saying? And I don't think she's gonna come all the way back down there before she goes. It's a possibility, but I don't think that's gonna happen. So look for buys this week. All right, let me confirm that off the weekly. Let's see how the weekly close. Closed well on top of last week. So yeah, we should have bullish continuations this week. All right, so yeah, look for a pull. The next pullback on gold, on Euro USD sends it up to the moon. All right, it's either from this trend line that we're looking at. All right, or from this inversion that we're looking at currently. Either way it goes, to the moon, up to these highs. Here's your target. Aim for here. Clean highs right there. 1, 2, 3. Plus these 2 highs right here that are also equal. So you got this target and that target. All right. It's pretty easy. Pretty easy right there. Next pullback, send it up. Makes sense. 75. 75 in the chat. Makes sense.
75, you heard?
75,
750.
750. 6, 7. 6, 7.
I ain't understand not one thing you was saying on this motherfucking truck.
Oh, well, how it sucks to be you. Oh, gang. God damn. That's tough.
Damn. Right?
75. 75. You ain't been paying attention this whole time. You bullshit.
That bitch said, I ain't understand not one thing you said. I don't know what to tell you, nigga.
Ask a question, bro. If you don't understand, ask questions, bro. That's what you're here for.
I
know what to tell him. Get the course.
I think he trolling.
I jumped on later and shit. For one, I ain't even gonna lie to you. I'm just now trying to learn some of this shit. So I really just know bare
man, go on Tracy YouTube.
Oh, yeah.
He got all the sauce on there just to learn from the beginning.
Yeah, okay. See, originally I thought you was trolling because niggas be trolling, but you dead ass. So goddamn, with that being said, goddamn, hey, if you a brand new trader trying to figure out what the hell I'm talking about, yeah, I'm not gonna sit here and break down all beginner shit. Like you're gonna have to goddamn get that. Go to my YouTube because that's free 99. You can go to my YouTube and watch shit, or get my motherfucking course, bro. Get my course and
bro, spend that $50 and get the course, bro.
$50.
Or $100.
You gonna send them? You gonna send them the other 450?
Yeah, gold broke those lows.
You gonna send the other 450, nigga?
Gotta be talking about the ebook.
Oh,
yeah, I'm talking about the ebook. My bad.
That ebook $100. Ain't no more 50.
Oh, 100.
Oh, yeah, $100.
Yeah,
Yo, you
gold,
got a
bro.
minute.
Gold.
You rich nigga. You
A
donate. Go half
PDF.
for him on the ebook.
They want a
Go half with
PDF.
him on it. You gotta go half for that nigga on the ebook. You need the videos though. You need that course, nigga.
Yeah,
I ain't
gold
gonna lie.
broke them lows though.
Hey, hit me up
Man,
on.
did it reverse yet? I don't care what it did if it didn't reverse. Oh,
Hit
gang,
me
bro,
up.
that bitch,
I'll send you. I'll send you the 50 if you're really eager to learn for real.
that bitch over with. Oh,
Yeah,
gang, she closed below this right here, nigga. Fuck what I'm talking about. Sales.
yeah.
No,
Yeah, I
no,
got
no.
8 positions. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Yeah, she break below that shit right there, nigga. Fuck everything I just said. It's reps. And I'll still look for buys. Don't get it fucked up, like, but just not now. Like, I'm still. I can't. I'm gonna never not stop looking for buys, bro. But I will get on the sell train now that she's closed below all this shit. I'll try and find position for sales. But remember now, these highs still stand, bro. This bitch will, and when I say will, I mean will reverse heavily, bro. It's just not ready now. And it proved that by breaking below all this range. That's why I didn't want to touch it until it did something from this range. We caught our buy, she broke below the goddamn shit. Wait for the next play. But even if you was looking for sales, definitely don't touch it now. You need a pullback or something. But I'll
What
let y'all
about
know if
Nas?
Now I already told y'all what's up with Nas. Hold up. Let me see something. Now I got too many. I done confused myself with so many FBGs on my chart. Hold on. Get back to what I was looking at. All right, so we got a daily gap. Once again, look for potential daily CRT from here too. All right. If she cut this daily candle closes how she is now, you see how we're well below the gap. Daily candle closes like this, then we'll probably see bearish continuations. Start looking here and shit like that. You see what I'm saying? And where all those lows is at. Resting below it if she wants to break. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's about it. It's either this bitch reverses or we catch a pullback for the sale, which I wouldn't unless she gonna have to give me some good market structure for me to want to sell this bitch with there's equal highs all on top of price. She's gonna have to give me some real good market structure. I'm not gonna lie. So I ain't saying that I'm having analysis paralysis or nothing. But even if I wanted to catch sales, nigga, y'all know how I play it. I gotta see liquidity get ran. And it's hard for me to get in on anything with liquidity not ran. Y'all understand? So I'm gonna need to see something real good for me to get in on. So I'm not saying I won't, but I need to see something picture perfect, bro. Or else I'm gonna just be expecting that this ain't nothing but a stop run turn around. You know what I mean? So I'm definitely on the market's ass, but yeah, pay attention to what she does now. All right, let's go to Forex Factory and see what's going on with our red folders and shit. All right, hold on. Let's go to Forex Factory. All right, here's our red folders for the week. All right, so we had CAD this morning. Won't care nothing about that. Tuesday, Aussie at 7:30. We won't care about that neither. Wednesday, Great British Pound at 2 a.m. And then we got FOMC at 2 p.m. And then Thursday is where the big dogs come out at. Where y'all see it say that they give you 3 months worth of goddamn NFPs at? Who said that? Where y'all get that information from?
Cricket.
Who told? Right. I know y'all ain't
I see you
fresh out
said
of
what?
that. Who told y'all that with this NFP we're getting, or with this week we're getting goddamn all the NFPs in September? Who told y'all that?
Doesn't NFP usually just come once a
No,
week?
I was
Who?
mentioning that on Forex, on my Forex. When I look at my stuff for news, it says that it's highlighted. It's saying September, October, November. All that news is coming out. I might have to drop a screenshot in there.
Screenshot. Yeah, let me see that screenshot.
Yeah.
Cause I don't see that from here. I definitely got to see them stats to know if that shit gonna be that good or not. Cause if y'all saying like it's gonna be that crazy, which nigga we ain't gonna know until Thursday get here. But nigga, I damn near don't want to touch nothing until Thursday.
It's
All
gonna
the
be
money
that.
can be made. All the money can be made on Thursday, nigga. Like to be honest,
It's
I ain't
gonna be
trying
Nah,
to
that
rush
for
it.
real.
triple
I'm just
NFP.
chilling.
I'm really just chilling, bro. Like let me see that screenshot, nigga. As a matter of fact,
Yeah,
Google's
I'm
our
gonna
best
drop it.
friend, nigga. Hold
I'm
on.
about to drop it.
I don't got Google in this bitch. Hold
Nah,
on.
it is some big reports coming out, like
Let me
job
see.
claims, all that. It's a
What
lot
the
of
fuck
stuff
would I
coming out.
type in? This week's NF. What the fuck would I type in? I'm weak as
I'm about
hell.
to drop it now.
Yeah, let me see that bitch. Y'all see, I be looking for beef ribs out here. Who y'all know that makes some beef ribs, nigga? Not pork ribs. I need beef ribs. That'd be great.
Did you
What part of North Carolina? I'll look it up for you. I think I
I'm in
got a
Raleigh.
homeboy that stay out that way.
I'm in Raleigh, bro. Don't nobody have beef.
you
Don't
see
nobody
it?
got beef
I just
ribs.
put it in there.
Nobody got beef ribs. I
Shit,
want.
Tracy, if you can't find the beef ribs, Get what they call them, like short ribs, and just
Them
cook them
bitches
in the.
pork though.
Yeah,
No.
short ribs.
It's beef short ribs.
Huh?
Yeah,
What
that's what
short?
they
I
call
think
it.
It's
it's
beef
chicken.
short ribs. Nah, beef short ribs.
It's
That
That's what
beef.
they
bitch is
call it.
busting.
Yeah, it's
Beef
beef
short
short
ribs
ribs. If you
rocking,
can't
cuz.
if you can't find the beef ribs, find the beef short ribs. They more accessible.
Them shit's hit.
Type shit. I'm
Yeah,
gonna
yeah,
look up.
yeah.
I
Them
ain't know
shit's
nothing about
fire,
that.
boy.
I've been trying to get me. I've
Barbecue
been crazy.
sauce in that pot with that
You trying to
shell.
make that tonight?
Woo.
Oh my.
You make some ribs. I want
Oh,
some ribs.
mom.
Where I can find some beef short ribs at the grocery store? What if I wanted to cook it?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah.
Go to Sam's. Sam's
You
have it.
might need to go to a butcher, bro.
Go to Sam's. Sam's have it too.
Sam's Club. We don't got no Sam's Club membership, nigga.
Yeah, go to a butcher, bro. They probably got it, and it's probably more quality too.
Yeah, it's like. Did you see that screenshot I dropped? I'm gonna drop
Yeah, I'm trying to
the.
pull this bitch up. So on the bid screen, it won't let me pull that bitch up all the way so everybody can see.
Oh, okay.
Oh, here we go. Right here. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. All right. Let me see.
And then I'm gonna drop the rest of them too, because it's like
Hi, September.
That shit like 31 events.
Said Wednesday, November 19th.
It was actually Thursday. It was just a thing that it was just kind of pulled up, but it's actually Thursday.
September. So this is all.
And I dropped another one.
This is all supposed to be coming out on Thursday.
Yeah.
That's what this is saying. From September all the way to
Wednesday or Thursday, yeah. And I dropped the rest of them in there. Yeah.
Nah, that's facts. Because when the government was shut down, like reports, they wasn't actually accurate. So they all dropped them
wasn't
in, like
accurate.
yeah, they wasn't accurate at all.
Oh. What did it? October 1st. Shut down on October 1st. But these NFPs, whatever. We'll see. We'll see. All right. Sounds like it makes sense to me. Shit. It makes sense to me. All right. So if that's the case, then now I would definitely be sitting on my hands, nigga. Like I ain't gonna say I ain't gonna call no trades, but don't be surprised if I'm a little quiet than usual until Thursday gets to the nigga. I want to see what's up with that. Okay, we'll be live on Zoom on that bitch. All right, so we'll see what's up with that. But yeah, let's go ahead and get our schedule right for the week. And I'm on Gold's ass, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Let me see this bitch turn around from here. I'm telling y'all, bro. Let me see that bitch turn the fuck around from me and see what I do to it. So all that bitch got to do is show sign, and we're gonna get right back in that bitch and go for some OTPs, nigga. I'm telling you. All right. But let's get our favorite. Where the fuck is Forex Factory? Where should it go? All right. Let's get our schedule right for the week. It's looking like we're gonna go 10 a.m. all week except for Thursday. Because we don't got no real red folders until Thursday. So Tuesday, nothing. So 10 a.m. on Tuesday, 10 a.m. Wednesday. And yeah, all the big dogs happen at 8:30. So we're definitely up 8:30 on Thursday. Definitely. I do not recommend being in the market prior to that, bro. Whatever trade y'all got, nigga, them SLs better be so far in profit, nigga. Like it don't even make no sense, bro. Because it's gonna be that crazy that you're gonna see some crazy flashes with price action. You know what I mean? This is probably the first time ever. I ain't never heard no time in Forex history, nigga, or since I've been trading where we done had fucking 3 months worth of NFPs come out on one day. Shit. First time I ever heard of it. So shit, we may see some record breaking shit. I don't want to excite nobody up, nigga.
Yeah,
I
I ain't
don't know
never
what's
heard no shit like that either.
you feel me? I don't want to get nobody overly excited or nothing, but shit, we dealing with something that we ain't never dealt with. You know what I mean, so do
Yo,
not break. You feel me? Stay
and your
safe.
whole time trading, you ain't never seen nothing like this?
Hell no. Hell
Yeah.
no. I've been trading since 2019, and I ain't never seen no goddamn five fucking to 3 months straight of NFPs coming out on one day. First of all, nigga, this is my first time since I've been alive. I didn't fucking heard about a government shutdown. I'm fucking 27. Never heard of government shutting down before, unless I just ain't been paying attention to shit. You know what I mean? But yeah, bro, all the shit is new. All the shit is new. I'm pretty
The
sure it ain't
government
not
has
one
shut
trade.
down in Biden term too, bro.
I think it
I
shut down in 2022 when COVID hit and they had everybody in the crib. Like niggas couldn't go nowhere and do shit.
Oh yeah, that was a government shutdown. I forgot about COVID. Oh yeah,
Yeah.
But
that
it
that
wasn't
was
as
yeah. I
long
forgot
as
about
this
COVID.
one though.
I
It
forgot
Yeah,
about
wasn't as
COVID.
long as this one.
Trump first term, he was
Well, like I
Shit,
say,
COVID. Man,
I'm a
that
little
COVID
ignorant.
shutdown was long as hell.
It damn sure was. I forgot all about COVID. I forgot
It was
about
like
COVID. But
4 months.
I say, but prior to COVID, goddamn, like I said, I'm a little ignorant when it comes to government and politics and shit. If it weren't for me trading, nigga, I wouldn't know nothing about this shit. So, my apologies if I sound a little, I don't know what I'm talking about type shit. But this is my first time actually paying attention to a government shutdown. And it's definitely the first time, well, besides COVID, because I was trading during COVID. COVID is what got me into trading. You know what I'm saying? So this is my first time actually knowing. Let me say, this is my first time knowing how to trade through a government shutdown. This is my first time me knowing how to play it, if we're gonna say it like that. And
Yeah.
even with all the other government shutdowns, like, did we have, well, like, can y'all even remember what the last government shutdown that we had, nigga? Did we have something like this where when it was done shut down, nigga, NFPs came out and stacked on top of each other like that? Do we even remember if that happened like that? You know what I'm saying? So like, I don't know. I don't know. We gonna see though. We definitely gonna see. Be ready for Thursday, man. So 10 o'clock all we can set for Thursday, 8 a.m. And then Friday, we got some shit at 9:45. So we'll see what's up with that as well. All right. That's our schedule for the week, man. Pretty much Thursday is gonna be our big dog. I'm on Market's ass prior to then, but if I don't see nothing, that's not A plus part. This is a week where it needs to be slap A plus sit-ups, and especially until Thursday. You know what I'm saying? Because the market has tendencies where it likes to do stupid shit prior to the day where the real move is gonna happen. And if we're having a big day on Thursday, then the real move is gonna happen on Thursday, which means that we may see a little bit of bullshit prior to then. All right. I also could be wrong about that. The market's been pushing, so we'll definitely see. I mean, I'm just throwing out a lot of crazy shit right now because this is a week where we haven't dealt with before. So I don't know what the fuck to expect. I ain't that much of a guru, nigga. I don't know what's about to happen. All I do know how to do is sit on my hands and be patient because I know that we're dealing with some times that could make us or break us when it comes to them trading accounts, nigga. You did make the wrong move this week, nigga. That could be your ass. You know what I'm saying? So play it safe. Don't do too much, and we'll see what's up when it's all said and done on Thursday. All right. Y'all got any questions for me? I got anything y'all want me to look at type shit? Oh, y'all good. If y'all good, I'm good.
Silver, silver, silver.
Silver. It's doing the same thing as gold, ain't it? Dumping the fuck off.
Oh,
You
say no
have to say.
more.
It's doing the same thing as gold. Nigga talking some say no more. I ain't even have to look at the damn chart. I ain't even look at the damn chart. Do no
Bro,
markup or nothing.
bro,
Nigga,
I'm
that's funny, bro.
driving. I'm driving, so I can't look at the chart.
Nigga crazy, man. She about to hit 50% of this BPR. Or she's really already there. So if she wanted to pivot, she could. You know what I mean? But
All right.
besides that, that bitch is definitely falling off the motherfucking cliff right now. That bitch falling off the cliff. It's doing the
He
same.
already did, GJ Miguel.
It got the same exact market structure as gold. So I'm on the same exact type time. Like, nigga, shit, I need this bitch reverse, nigga. Got too many highs on top of price. You know what I'm saying? If she leaving the shit on the table and then she's selling, shit, I would expect for the sell to be a fucking liquidity run for this bitch turn around. But I'll be wrong on that if price breaks below this big ass FVG. Like, this is a big ass fair value gap right that we're in, which means that price has a little bit of room to continue to play around and sell off and shit.
But
And I'm gonna allow her to dance all up in here. I'm gonna allow that.
Silver could take off from the 50 and gold could take off from what's that? Would that be like a SMT?
Yeah. They move the exact fucking same. So one gets to take it off 9 times out of 10, the other one is. You know what I mean? If they're ever moving in, if they're not, if there's any a time, if there's ever a time where they're not moving in unison, that is divergence. That means that something major is about to happen. But usually 9 times out of 10, gold and silver are doing the exact same fucking thing. So that's why I'm saying, like, if I say gold should fuck around and fly, silver's the exact same ballpark, and they literally have the exact same market structure. You know what I mean? It's like it's damn near scary. The bitch got the exact same market structure, nigga. Yeah, you go gold 4 hour. The only difference between gold and silver is that this high right here to the left is way higher on gold. It's like a real new all-time high. Besides that, it's the same. Look at gold and look at silver. Same market structure. Only difference is this high right here is a lot higher on gold. Look. See? This high right here is just a lot higher. Besides that, it's the exact same motherfucking market structure. So they're moving the exact same way. I mean, so bow. There you go. All right, GJ, we been did GJ niggas over. Big buys, big buys. No more selling. No more not listening to big trader. Don't sell that. Well, you can sell that bitch all you want to. I'm telling you that any sale that fucking around that happens on GJ is gonna be short lived for the next buy move. That's what I'm telling y'all. This bitch gonna end up uphill. All the way up there. All right. So I would find positioning for buys. I would wait for that bitch to sell off and then look for the next buy. That's what I would do.
Hey Tracy.
Huh?
So how do you go about paying taxes?
I got a tax person to do it for me. I don't do it. I just pay some money. All right, but you got to pay goddamn. First of all, it's important to get like an LLC or something like that. You know what I'm saying? If you're making more than 12,000 a year, so if you're making more than 12K a year, that's when you start filing independent taxes and shit. And you have to get all your statements from your brokers and all that good shit. Like I said, I got a tax person, so I don't do nothing but send all my shit in to her. She get that shit handled for me. But so I'm not the best at answering all the goddamn questions. But I know that capital gains is a motherfucker. That shit's around what, like 20? What capital gains at like 28% right now? You see what I'm saying? So you pay capital gains like at the end of the year you pay back money type shit unless you know how to tax the shit. I mean, know how to file the shit the right way. So I would goddamn put up money every single month. You feel what I'm saying? Like saving money, putting money up towards investments, whatever the case may be. Having some money ready for taxes because if you got them a full time trader, you're going to be paying out the pocket. You see what I'm saying? So either had that shit had that shit saved up, or you know what I'm saying, get ready to trade in January, nigga. Oh, so get ready to spend all them profits on motherfucking taxes, nigga. This shit is expensive. It's expensive as hell. But I mean, if you know the tax benefits and the write-offs and shit, which I'm still learning, so you can't really quote me on all that shit. I'm not really the best at explaining all that shit. But like I said, hire if you're really making money out the market, I would just hire somebody to do it. You know what I mean? Less stress on your hands because I don't know shit about taxes, to be honest. I just hire her to do it.
Awesome. Thank you, man.
Yes, sir. My apologies if I couldn't answer your question as best as I can. But like I said, it's
good.
something that you don't really worry about until you're really making like some decent money, bro. You know what I'm saying? Once you're making some decent money, then yeah, you know what I'm saying, you pay them goddamn taxes and shit. But like I said, I just send my money over and again let them handle that shit. Fuck that shit.
Gotcha. Thanks, man.
Yes, sir. Y'all got any questions for me? Any more charts I want me to look at, et cetera, et cetera. As a bet. Y'all go watch these interviews, man. Y'all go watch that interview, that Dirty Glove Bastard joint. We on Off the Porch, nigga. We the first traders, or the second trader, the second set of traders y'all seen on Off the Porch ever, nigga. So y'all go watch that. Go watch KJ's interview. Go watch the success story, nigga. 500 to 5K challenge, nigga. We active this week again. We're gonna get the shit running one more again before the year's over with. Also remember when December gets here, month off. All right, for me, and I would expect for y'all too. I may still call a couple trades every now and then, nigga, but I'm taking a month off. I'm taking a month off. All right, trades may still be called, but I expect for everybody to take a month off, bro. Like take a month off, bro. Take a month off, bro. You see what I'm saying? Like December is a month where even I'm not even gonna speak that shit because gold still be moving, bro. So I ain't gonna sit here and say I ain't gonna call no trades, bro. But at the same time, like nigga, everybody needs a break from everybody and everything. You know what I mean? That's 11 months on, 3 months off, nigga. I mean 1 month off. December, chill. All right. So if you see shit start dying down in December, going into January, that don't mean nothing. That ain't going nowhere. But nigga, it's December time, nigga. It's time for y'all to get with y'all family and friends and shit, nigga. And celebrate all y'all hard work throughout the year. All right, and get a mental break from these goddamn charts. You see what I'm saying? So be ready for that. You dig what I'm saying? Besides that, and until then, nigga, we booming. And one-on-one mentees, y'all still gonna be getting me during December too. You feel what I'm saying? Just not everybody, just the people that paid for it. All right. Just people that paid for my time getting me during December. Everybody else, I'll see y'all in January, nigga. Once February get here. I mean, once it got to December get here. You know what I mean? Shit. Get the course, nigga. Get the ebook. Y'all know what to do. All right. Anything else? Holla at me. All right. I'm out of here if y'all don't got no questions, nigga. Good money for the day. Gold, TP1 smack. 1-0 to start the week. Let's see what we can get coming towards Thursday. All right. Love you guys. Have a good rest of y'all day. Tendonism, nigga. How about y'all tomorrow? Tendonism. Y'all like that video? Tendonism.
Broken.